Okay, good morning all, and thank you for joining in this for live demo session. In fact, the app and the desktop version both are very, very simple, and I'm sure it's not going to take more than 30 minutes for you to learn everything. It's quite simple. So what happened is in the beginning, when we did curtain raiser, before that we were speaking about doing only phone-based calling. Then we went one step ahead and thought, okay, let's give them all a desktop version wherein they will be free to do themselves buying and selling. Then we went one more step ahead and thought, okay, we will give also the mobile app. So I hope you got the links yesterday and you loaded. It's quite simple. It's just one click. In case somebody still has difficulty, you can call us. The numbers are provided in between in the message below in the message. If you call up, they will help you installing it also. So most of you have installed. I've already got the information. So let's hope this is going to be very, very interesting. And I'm joined with Vishnu and Narsimhan, who will be taking us through both the desktop version and the mobile app. Over to you, Vishnu.
Okay. Hi, very good morning to all. First, before we get into Daily Gong trading platform, first let me say a few words about Daily Gong. 1 minute. Daily Gong is an integrated platform where BSE, NSE, MCX, currency derivative, mutual fund, and MTF, all the exchanges and sub-segment are available in that application. For this contest, we have kept only BSE, cash and NSE.
Link iska?
Yesterday we put it on the group.
Madam, if not, no problem. Just you go to our MSCFSL website where there is an option download, from where you can download this app.
Okay.
Okay. It would not take more than 1 minute to install this application, madam.
Mobile app is downloaded. I will want the desktop version or the laptop version. That's all.
Okay. Desktop version also are available on website. Okay. It will not take more than a minute. Yeah.
Vishnu, 1 second. See, yesterday we have messaged desktop app and mobile app links on the WhatsApp group, all the micro groups. Please check there and download it. In case still, if you have some difficulty, you're not able to find it, please message again on the micro group. We'll resend it. Not an issue at all.
Okay, fine. See, after you click on our application, it will take you to credential page where you have to enter your trade code as login ID. Just for example, I am entering my own code 92CHB00017. Okay, followed by password. See, when you are entering into first time, by default password would be ABCD1234. After entering this password, it will ask you to reset the password. Okay, once you reset the password, as per our SEBI compliance, once in 15 days, the password gets changed. Okay, so accordingly, you have to change either a two-way factor. One is you have to enter password or PAN number or date of birth. Okay, this combination is must. I am entering date of birth. In case if you lost password, just you go to this option reset password. Okay, just you click on reset forget password. You have to enter your trade code and you have to enter your mobile number, registered mobile number at the time of opening account. Okay, same way you have to share your mail ID. Once you do, immediately the next 5 minutes you will get a password. Now I am logging into trading application. Forgot to enter test at 1, 2, 3. It's getting login. This is our Daily Gong main screen page. just after you log in, just go to market. Okay, user market watch. Okay, you can have nearly 5 to 6 market watch on the screen. Each market watch you can have n number of skip, but ideally we suggest 50 to 75 scripts should be ideally advisable, because you get a broadcast 100% pakka. Okay, like that. We also have other option. You can have 7 market watch, then you go to this one more market watch. For user ease of trading, we have defined some scripts. Okay, we have defined exchange based. See, if you want to IT sector wise, okay, all the IT companies will be shown here. Okay, if you want to add any script, okay, that is also possible. Just you select NSE. Okay, just you select NSE, you type Reliance here. After entering the script name, just you go to enter button. It get added on market watch. Okay, from where if you want to buy and sell, okay, just you remember, as far as trading, DG trading is concerned, only these 3 key you should remember. One is F1, another one is F2, another one is control F3. Control F3 being all the report in a single menu. See, F1 normally used for buying order, F2 used for selling order, F3 to know the order status confirmation, to know the margin report, to know the position, all can be seen in this report. Just now we have added a Reliance. Okay, just if client wants to place order, just you click on F1. Okay, you get this screen where you have to enter the quantity. If it is a limit price, see, limit price is an order, you can specify the rate. See, Reliance currently trading at 2,212, but you want to sell Reliance at 2,250. Okay, in this case, what you should do is just to enter the 2,250, and after entering all these, just place. Okay, 1 minute. I have, I think, 1 minute. Let me check the balance. 1,000 rupees. Let me add small screen. Okay, I will take NCC. Okay, now I am placing order on live environment. Just 1 share. I am going to buy at 70 rupees. Okay. After placing order, again it asks second confirmation, where you can see NSE and 1 share we have placed at 70. The product type is delivery. Okay. After your confirmation, just I told you, F1 for buying, F2 for selling, then control F3. Just you click on control F3, it bring all the report. See, first menu is order. The order which was placed by us, NCC at 70 rupee. If you want to modify, just you click on this, just you select, right click, select and modify. Okay, if you want, you can change the quantity here. If you want, you can change price. All can be done here. Okay, even in the order screen itself, we have brought depth. Okay, normally you could have seen many trading application where there is an option just to place order. You cannot see the market depth. But this application has this feature. Even market depth also can be seen. See how many clients are how many buy quantities are there, sell quantities are there, even DPR price range, all the detail can be seen in this screen. Next, once order get executed, okay, you have to use this trade button. Order get same way, once order get executed, immediately you will get a SMS. Your trade has been, you have purchased 100 Reliance shares at the rate 2,200 rupees. Immediately, as and when trade get executed, you will get a SMS. Okay. Next, trade can be seen in this menu. Same way, day position, whatever shares are purchased and sold by you, all the information can be seen in this menu. whatever balance you have in your account, if you want to see, just you can, as far as this client is concerned, he has got opening credit of 1,000 rupees. That's why it's showing here. Okay, we have placed NCC. So because we placed the NCC order at a market price of 70 rupees. That's why it was debited 70 rupees. Now client has got a clear credit of 930 rupees. Okay. Next, activity log. From morning to evening, whatever activities are being done by you, all the information will be shown here. Even holding equity, if you have purchased the share, okay, which are available in MSC FSL, that can be seen in this menu. For example, this client was purchased a SpiceJet 1 share. Okay, whatever shares are available on DP quantity. DP quantity is demat quantity. After you purchase, normally settlement take place on T+2. Shares purchased on Monday, you will get credit only on Wednesday. Those shares would be reflected in DP quantity. BB quantity, BB is a broker bin quantity. If shares purchased on Monday due to debit balance, sometimes shares will be lying in broker bin account. Such shares cannot be sold. Same way, SR quantity is stock receivable quantity from exchange. Simply we can say, instead of SR quantity, we can say BTST. Buy today, sell tomorrow. That is, see, this client was purchased yesterday. That's why the share is lying in SR quantity. Okay. The same way, the client, even if you want to know what price the share was purchased, okay, that information also can be seen here. I'll show you. The script was purchased at 82 rupee 8 pice. Okay. Even in the screen itself, you can execute the order. Sell BSE. The here is showing the best. BSE is 79.9. Same way, NSE is also 79.9. If you want to sell it in NSE, just you click and sell now. Immediately the order get executed. Okay. If you have given shares for any margin purpose, that detail will be shown in this menu. This is F3. Apart from that, if you want to know anything about NCC, normally what will you do? See, once you have a trading account, if you want any information, you go to BSE, NSE or MCX, or you go to SEBI. Okay. To avoid all this, just you click on NCC. Okay, right click where you can see fundamental. See, if you want to see the particular script of financial ratio, just you click on this button. So you get this information. Like that, all information can be seen in this menu. Fundamental, even quarterly result, company background, balance sheet, profit and loss, cash flow, all the information are available. Same way, if you want to see the news, just you can click on, you will get a market information. Heat map. Normally heat map, because people who are new to this industry, because they are not aware of how market works, then which script they wanted to buy. That's why we have a heat map. Just click on the script and go to heat map. This is it has Nifty 50 scripts. Okay, out of 50 scripts, I can say 20 or 25 scripts are in positive. From 25 scripts are negative. If client wanted to know, if client wanted to buy Bharat Airtel because the share is down by 0.3%. Okay, from here he can click on F1 and buy those shares. Even there are so many scripts are available, but you want to focus only one script. Okay, can I keep see, you got any market news? Only HCL Tech will go up. So to Okay, just if you are focusing only one script, you can use this menu. Okay, favorite script. Okay, just where you can focus only on HCL tech. Apart from that, report, as far as report, there are many menus are there, but as I said, only 3 buttons you should remember: F1 and F2, F1 for buying, F2 for selling, and control F3. Okay, all the report can be fetched here. This one is user setting. Just whenever you click to avoid a chart, okay, just you untick the system. If it is idle for 60 minutes, again you need to enter the password. Smart. We also integrated one more best feature, that back office. See, when you want to see your contract note, when you want to see statement, you need not log in. You need not log in back office. Just from trading screen itself, you can navigate. Just click on back office. It will take you to back office. It will take you to back office. See, as far as, because being this this contest period, you use only the smart button. Okay, just you click on smart menu, that is enough. It gives all the information, the amount what you have invested, what shares are available. Instead of seeing holding ledger, don't waste your time, just click on smart. You keep in mind.
Vishnu, I'll just interrupt once.
Okay.
So, say friends, since we have this 20% limit and there are various rules and regulations, this tab will be the best place for you to monitor yourself. Okay, so that you know how much cash is left, how much quantity you have bought. So you cannot cross the 20% limit. So use this feature regularly and don't miss it. And apart from that, Vishnu, you can show them the chart also. There is in fact a chart facility which you can always track how the stock is moving and accordingly decide your buy or sell.
Excellent.
Yeah, Vishnu.
Oh. Okay, now I have added SBN. Okay, with the help of chart, we can take some judgment. 1 minute. Just click. Okay, go to chart where you can click daily chart. Okay. See, loading chart, it would take nearly 10 seconds. I also show you one more. See, there are 150 statistical tools are in this application. Okay, if you are well versed in technical, you can use by clicking Control S. Okay, just I'll show you. For example, signal crossover. See, when you click on graph, okay, here itself you get information buy or sell. Can you see? Chart itself gives information. So this SBN you can buy. You also can see frequent interval period. See, I want to see every 10 minutes once. Okay, accordingly you enter 10 minutes and enter. That's it. If you set 10 minutes, we'll get figure like this. Okay, if you want to see weekly, just you click on W. If you want to see daily chart information, just click on D. Same way, you have to click on M. Monthly information you will get. quarterly information you will get, H half yearly information you will get, like that early information. See our application, I think informations are available since 2000. Okay, see 20-year information are available in this application. Based on this, you can take some decision which will be helpful because it's a proven.
But friends, please don't use 60 minutes and all and do intraday. We have penalty clause. Keep that in mind. So right now you can use only daily this thing. After 2 months, if you are going to use this continuously, that time you are free to do anything. Yeah, Vishnu.
Next, one more information also we have pivot point, which can be used for see SBN I have placed. Okay, it use information. The support level is 427.32. Resistance is 438.22. Just you click on the script. What you can use this pivot point. From this menu, you can see support level and resistance level. Accordingly, you can set your goal. It says this is normal functionality. And back office, I have explained, is mutual fund. Okay. See, still you are not able to remember control F3. See, every time, see, normally any application, see, we could have seen any application. F1 for buying, F2 for selling, then F3 for order book, F4 for market watch, F5 for net position, F6 for day position, then F8 for trade. To avoid all these only, we have brought report. Okay, just if you are not able to remember control F3, just you go and select R. It fetch you all the information. Okay, even maximum, see, people who are in trading, they need this information. See, I have got 10 lakh in my account. See, I have invested 9 lakh. Remaining how much I have in my account. Okay, based on that, they think their investment plan. Okay, so just before we wind up, just you keep in mind all the menus are available here. This is market watch screen. Once see, if you had invested some amount, for example, if you had invested last Monday, by this time share would have credited in your account. See, in this case, only if you want to see your holding, I don't want to see other script which are in Nifty 50 or BSE Sensex. I don't mind. The amount, the share which are available in my account, I want to see, I will take a decision. Just click on market watch holding. Okay, if you click on this menu, you will get only holding. See, this client has got only one share in his holding. Okay, that's why it is showing. Even when you have hundreds of share in your demat account, all the shares detail information can be seen from where you can initiate buy or sell. Okay, this is also an interesting feature. We have this under option strategy. This is market summary. If you want to know how industry is work, because NSE, how many, which are the scripts are performing today, that can be seen in this menu, market summary. Okay, best 20 and worst 20, even BSE equity. Okay, just click on NSE equity where you can see market open at 15,796. Today it went 15,835. It came to 15,780. Yesterday closing was 15,802. The advance is 1,024 scripts are in advance. Decline is 858. The same 72. All the information. Same way you can see BSE equity also. There are 1,726 are in up. The decline is 1,400. Same. Okay. Just if you click on market summary, this information. This one is bulk trade. Today, whoever has done bulk trade, that detail can be seen in this menu. Okay, you have to set the parameter. If you set 25,000 quantity, because here we have set only 5,000 quantity, that's why many scripts are showing in this menu. But if you set 5 lakh or 10 lakh, because if you say 5 lakh or 10 lakh, only HNI client and institution people will do that quantity, right? So accordingly, according to your investment, you have to set quantity and value that this menu fits the bulk trade information. This is all indices. If you want to see BSE 100, if you want to see BSE 200, all the indices which are performing well today can be seen by using this menu, all indices. Okay, this is not only BSE, even NSE also. Okay, if you want, you can add. This one is connected to see, you are in contest period, so you cannot use this option. Otherwise, during trade hour, if you want to enhance the limit, you got only 10 lakh. Again, you want to invest further 5 lakh. See, if you use this button, the moment you transfer, immediately it will get reflected in your margin account. So that, see, for example, I'll tell you, I go to margin. See, this client has got only 1,000 rupees. If client use this option, rupee symbol, okay, he wanted to invest 1 lakh. So just click on this menu, you make fund transfer. The moment he get debited in client account will be ever. Okay. 92CH. Now I am using another client code 92CH V00018. Okay, after entering your credential, just you click on sign in. Okay, just you will get this screen. Okay. See, we are a member of BSE, NSE, MCX. That's why all the informations are showing on top of the screen. Okay, just you ignore it. See, if you want to invest only on Nifty 50 script, what you should do is just you go to this place and click on Nifty. Okay, you will get this Nifty script information. Okay, how it went from morning to till now. Okay, that information, that open, high, low, closed, all informations are showing here. If you want to buy BHEL, just swipe here. Okay, whereas desktop version, we have added that script on Market Watch. On script, we click on F1, F2. Okay, whereas mobile application is concerned, just if you want to buy ACC, just if you want to buy ACC script, just swipe where there is option buy and sell. Just you click on buy. Okay, you will get this screen. You can enter your desired quantity. See, just if it is a single digit, then you can use this plus, or else what you should do, if you want to place a 5,000 or 500 script, just you enter and you can place. Same way, price, even disclose quantity. There are some people will put disclose quantity. If it is 500, then it should be only 50 should be visible. So in this case, you can use this option. Same way, stop loss option also are available. Limit and market order. See, limit, I told you, no, to specify the rate, you have to use this option. By default in our app, limit option will be enabled. If you want to place market order, just you go there, you click on market. See, market order, what it does, irrespective of market rate, irrespective of rate. For example, now the price is 2014.90 ACC. Okay, automatically the order get executed. So market normally only traders will use. Investors, long-term investors will use only limit. Okay, same way, if you want to buy, if you want to sell, from here you can sell. Just I'll put some dummy order. Okay, 2,150. I'll put 2,150. Okay, now I am placing a ACC limit. Okay, just place order. After entering, you will get this window for reconfirmation. I have given instruction sell 500 ACC at 2050. Now I am confirming. Okay, order is rejected because due to RMS rule. Okay, 1 minute. Like that you can do. We also have one more interesting feature. just you go to more button, you click on that three dot where you can see order. Just click on order. Okay, see NCC order which was placed by us 78 rupees, it got cancelled. CUB was placed 1000 shares at 175. Order is in queue. That's why it's showing pending. Can you see? The order is in pending status. If you want to modify order, just you click on modify and you change the quantity and price according to your investment strategy. Same way, if you want to cancel the order, just use this button. NCC, okay. If it is any pending order, just you click on pending, only CAB, NCC. If order get rejected, that information can be seen in this menu. So, then trade, if any trade get executed, that information can be seen in this menu. 1 minute, let me see. See, there is no trade happen today. There is no trade happen to this client. Okay. Then holding. See, this client has got this many holding. CUB, IDFC, JCT, NCT, Wheels, and Yes Bank. Okay. Just if you click on CUB, you get this information. The quantity are available in DMAT, 1000 quantity. The current rate is BSE is 169.30. The same price is showing in NSE also. If I want to sell, I got 1000 quantity. I want to sell only 100 shares. Okay. Just click on, just enter your desired quantity. Then if you give sell now instruction, immediately the order get executed. Okay. Like that, all the features are there. Same way, margin option is there. Here you can see what is the opening ledger credit available in his account. He has got some lag, that payment and receipt. If you want this information, you can see the 2,9,000 add payment and withdrawal option are also there. Okay. From mobile application, you can go to back office. Just you click top left. See watch list. Just you click on watch list. You can see indices, my watch list, holding watch list. As I told you, yeah, on desktop version, I told you report next option, market watch holding. That is what market holding watch list. This client has only this many steps that can be seen in a single screen. Okay. He has got only 6 holding in his DMAT. See, from here he can take decision whether he wants to add a quantity or he wants to reduce. He doesn't want to take risk. Then he may sell from here. Just swipe. See, for placing order, see desktop version we have to use F1, F2. Whereas mobile application is concerned, just a swipe. Remember, just swipe. You will get buy and sell instruction. Then holding on the NSE predefined market watch. Okay, which will be helpful without adding, without searching script. For example, Nifty 50. Like that, we have predefined market watch. If you want, you can use this menu. Predefined, yeah, you can save back office. Okay, where you can see what is the informations are available. Just you click on holding, bill, ledger, bills and contract, report, client statement, STT certificate, whatever you want, you can use it. Okay, this and all is not required for me. Then back office, okay, contact news is same. See about script information, all the details can be seen in this menu by using news menu. See, if you want to add a script, what you should do is just you go to search, just you click on search here NSE because the Wolf of Dalal Street contestant only BSc and NSE are activated. So you select NSE. Okay, just if you want to see SBI, okay, just you click on SBIN. You will get a State Bank of India. Just you click on. If you want to see any graph information, just there is a one graph chart. See from morning to till now how it performed. Okay, that information can be seen in this menu. Same way, see now you have added only now you are seeing NSE, right? Immediately if you want to see what is the price happening in BSE, just you click on BSE, it will take you to BSE. Okay, this is also a very interesting feature. Then when you click on this button, okay, this is also give graphical information about the script. It take normally 20 to 30 seconds. Okay. Just you click on plus, then you get zoom. Okay. See when you click on left side button, you will get 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart according to your investment strategy. You can set your chart 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, 1 hour, 4 hour, 8 hours, 1 day, 1 week. Okay. Same way, just there are some people prefer to see how it goes. Okay, that's why this indication will be helpful. This again a strategy. Whatever
Vishnu.
Yes, sir.
Similar features, let them browse and get used to it.
Okay, fine.
Mainly what we wanted is buy sell, because trading is not going to be allowed in this right now.
Yeah, right.
So what we can do is we can any specific doubt in this, people can ask, you can unmute all.
Okay, fine.
And we are always there in case you have some issue later on. We are there to sort out the issue. Yeah, host can unmute so that if somebody has question specifically related to only software as of now.
CTG mobile application are available in both Android as well as iOS.
So is there a possibility where, say, both my desktop and mobile thing is not working, a phone, I can place my order through phone?
Yeah, that is possible.
Okay. See, after this, we'll be sending you on the curtain raiser. We showed you some guidelines. We'll be sending you those guidelines again. And the phone numbers also are mentioned there, wherein you can call and place in case you're not comfortable with all this.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Any other question, boss?
And the T+2, say Monday I buy something and I cannot sell the same day. So if I can sell only on T+2 means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday only I can trade again, right? For that script?
Yes. Very good question. Boss, Vivekji, can I interrupt?
Yes,
because
yes, please.
other brokings are concerned, they are allowing only the share purchased on Monday. They are allowing you to place order
Vishnu,
only on Thursday.
no, Vishnu,
Yes,
no,
boss.
we don't want the general broking rules right now. We want to strictly follow the T+2 for this contest. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I am
So,
saying.
ah,
MSC FSL, we are whatever share purchased on Monday, it will be given credit on T+2. Which means Wednesday shares will be in your Demat account. Okay, which can be sold on Wednesday. Absolutely no problem.
On Wednesday or on Thursday?
No, Wednesday.
Wednesday. Okay.
Yeah.
see, I will come in between once. Actually, Wednesday your share will come. Okay.
Yeah.
But there are certain time possibilities that there is late payout and the share will reflect only on Thursday morning. So
Okay.
in your mind, please keep it as Thursday. Don't keep it as Wednesday. If it comes on Wednesday, please use it. No problem at all. But in mind, always buy something, keeping in mind that it will come after 3 days. I think software related is fine now. We'll be sharing the guidelines today and request you all to go through the guidelines properly, each and every word, so that we all are clear. And because this is a game, it's a kind of contest. Request everyone to follow the guidelines and proceed.
I have one question.
Yeah, ma'am.
This, when I'm creating a watch list, na,
Yeah.
today it is viewed. Next, hello.
Yep.
This watch list is not saved. Yesterday I have created a watch list. Today
Yes,
when
ma'am.
I'm seeing it, it is not saved.
Ma'am, you are talking about a desktop version or a
No, mobile version only.
What have you done, ma'am? Just 1 minute.
I have
Let me show
gone
you.
on watch list, created the watch list.
Okay, 1 minute.
Watch list are down now. We can see here.
Madam, you got this screen, madam?
Yes,
Okay.
I have
you-
created my own watch list.
Okay, good. So default 4.
How to save that?
1 minute. Madam, after entering the script, okay, just you go to top menu. Okay, just you assign a group. See the watch list I have created AC is no. Ma'am, can you see?
1 second. Watch list is there. From where you have seen my watch list?
Just you go to watch list, ma'am. Okay, just you click on that menu. Go to my group. If you are created, that would be shown in this menu, ma'am.
Yes, it is showing.
It is showing, ma'am. Just you click on. Are you getting whatever script you have added?
No, that's what only group name is displaying. Scripts what I have entered
Ma'am.
yesterday, it is not showing.
Okay, I think you may be having some issues. Do one thing. You share your contact detail. I'll ask my system person to take. Just do one thing before we do this exercise. You keep any desk application in your mobile, madam.
Okay, then we'll do it after 3:30, na?
No need. Why do you want to wait till 3:30, madam? You can do it anytime during trade hour.
No, actually, I've already.
No problem. No problem. No problem, madam. For your information, I'll keep server tomorrow also will be up, madam, because you guys have to practice well for Monday contest. Okay, so whatever script, the question you have asked is very valid, because how to add script, how it can be retrieved. These are all the questions, because whatever I explained, there are some people able to follow, some people not able to follow, because some technical glitches also be there. So to avoid all this, I request you all the participants start using it today itself to avoid last minute rush, because when Monday your contest is begin, no, see Monday morning 9:15 when all the 40 participants is calling us, then we will not be in a position to support. To avoid all this, better you start using after the session is over. You do, whenever doubt comes, you call us. We'll be in a position to sort out. Even if you are not able to do it, you do it tomorrow. Our server will be up for this contest. I'll keep up till even Sunday also. Our server will be up, man. Okay, not only you, the entire team. Use this opportunity to get familiar our daily Gong application.